What if I told you that one simple sheet of plywood could become an entire room full of modern furniture, stylish decor, smart storage, and functional wooden crafts? Most people see plywood as just a construction material, but hidden inside that single board are endless creative possibilities waiting to be unlocked. In today's video, we're transforming one sheet of plywood into 12 incredible woodworking projects that look modern, expensive, and professionally crafted. From floating shelves and minimalist tables to geometric wall art, storage solutions, and stunning home decor pieces. Whether you love DIY woodworking, modern interior design, or creative budget-friendly projects, this video is packed with ideas that will completely change the way you see plywood forever. Stay until the end, because some of these transformations are unbelievably satisfying. There's something incredibly satisfying about turning a single sheet of plywood into an entire collection of beautiful, functional wooden projects. At first glance, plywood may seem ordinary, just a flat construction material stacked in hardware stores and workshops around the world. But for woodworkers, DIY creators, and modern craftsmen, one simple sheet of plywood represents unlimited creative potential. Hidden inside that smooth surface are shelves, tables, organizers, lamps, wall decor, storage solutions, furniture pieces, and clever home upgrades waiting to be cut, assembled, and brought to life. And today, we're exploring 12 incredible wooden craft ideas you can build from just one sheet of plywood, proving that creativity, precision, and smart design can transform a basic material into projects that look expensive, modern, and professionally crafted. One of the reasons plywood has become such a favorite material among makers is because it offers the perfect balance between affordability, strength, and versatility. Unlike solid hardwood, which can become extremely expensive for large projects, plywood allows creators to experiment freely without massive costs. Yet, despite being budget-friendly, high-quality plywood can produce stunning results when handled correctly. The clean edges, layered grain patterns, and smooth surfaces fit perfectly within modern design trends, especially minimalist interiors, Scandinavian-inspired decor, and contemporary woodworking aesthetics. And because plywood comes in large sheets, a careful planning allows multiple projects to emerge from a single board with very little waste. The first project that instantly transforms plywood into something stylish and functional is a floating wall shelf system. Floating shelves remain one of the most popular modern decor trends because they combine storage with simplicity. Instead of bulky furniture occupying floor space, floating shelves create clean architectural lines while displaying books, plants, ceramics, and decorative objects. With careful measuring and hidden mounting brackets, a few plywood strips can become elegant shelving that looks custom-built for expensive interiors. The beauty of plywood shelving lies in its simplicity. The exposed layered edges often become part of the aesthetic itself, adding warmth and texture to modern walls. And once the shelving pieces are cut, the leftover plywood sections become opportunities for smaller companion projects rather than waste. One of the smartest ways to maximize a single plywood sheet is by designing projects that work together visually. For example, the offcuts from shelving panels can easily transform into geometric wall art. Modern geometric wood decor has exploded in popularity because it combines craftsmanship with architectural design. By cutting triangles, diamonds, and angled strips from leftover plywood, creators can assemble layered wall installations that add depth and sophistication to interiors. What makes these pieces especially satisfying is that they look like high-end designer decor, while costing only a fraction of commercial alternatives. Another incredibly practical project from a single plywood sheet is a modular storage crate system. Storage solutions dominate modern home organization trends because people increasingly want clutter-free spaces without sacrificing visual style. Plywood crates can be stacked vertically, mounted horizontally, or used independently throughout the home. In living rooms, they hold books and blankets. In kitchens, they organize produce or cookware. In offices, they store equipment and supplies. With simple handles, clean sanding, and natural finishes, these crates shift from basic utility objects into stylish, functional decor. As the projects continue, one of the most rewarding transformations comes from building a minimalist plywood coffee table. Modern furniture design increasingly embraces simplicity, clean geometry, and exposed natural materials, making plywood an ideal medium. A single sheet contains more than enough material for a sleek coffee table with interlocking legs, hidden joinery, and modern proportions. What makes plywood furniture visually interesting is the visible edge layering. Instead of hiding the plywood structure, many modern designers intentionally showcase it because the stacked grain patterns create subtle visual texture. Combined with matte finishes or natural oil treatments, the final result feels contemporary, warm, and handcrafted. But perhaps one of the most satisfying plywood projects is the creation of a wall-mounted pegboard organizer. Pegboards have become extremely popular because they offer customizable storage while adding visual interest to workshops, kitchens, studios, and offices. With carefully drilled holes and modular pegs, a plywood organizer can evolve continuously depending on changing needs. Shelves, hooks, containers, and holders can all shift positions easily. This flexibility makes pegboards not only practical but creatively engaging because the user actively participates in designing the layout over time. And then there's lighting, one of the most overlooked opportunities in plywood crafting. Thin plywood strips can be bent, layered, or assembled into surprisingly elegant lampshades and light fixtures. Warm LED lighting interacting with natural wood tones creates a calming atmosphere perfect for modern interiors. Geometric pendant lamps, folded plywood sconces, and minimalist desk lamps all emerge from relatively small material sections. What makes plywood lighting especially attractive is the balance between industrial simplicity and organic warmth. The wood softens the light naturally, creating cozy environments that feel far more expensive than their actual cost. As more pieces are cut from the sheet, efficient craftsmanship becomes part of the challenge itself. Every inch matters. Smart woodworkers plan layouts carefully to minimize waste while maximizing functionality. This process transforms woodworking into a puzzle where creativity and precision work together. Suddenly, leftover corners become phone stands, tablet holders, or small desktop organizers. Narrow strips become hanging rails or picture ledges. Circular cutouts become coasters or decorative accents. Nothing goes unused. One project that always surprises viewers with its elegance is the plywood plant stand. Indoor plants continue dominating interior design because they introduce life, movement, and natural texture into homes. Simple plywood plant stands elevate greenery while contributing architectural structure to a room. Interlocking cuts allow creators to assemble stable modern stands without complicated hardware. Whether holding a single statement plant or multiple layered pots, these stands instantly make interiors feel more curated and intentional. Another excellent use of plywood is creating hidden storage furniture, especially side tables or benches with internal compartments. Multifunctional furniture has become increasingly valuable as living spaces shrink in many urban environments. A plywood bench can provide seating while secretly storing blankets, tools, books, or seasonal items inside. The clean geometry of plywood construction works perfectly for minimalist furniture, where hidden functionality enhances the overall design experience. For creators interested in decor rather than furniture, plywood also excels in creating large statement wall panels and headboards. Modern interiors increasingly feature oversized, textured surfaces that anchor spaces visually. Using routed patterns, layered strips, or geometric arrangements, plywood transforms into sophisticated architectural decor that dramatically changes room atmosphere. Large plywood headboards especially create luxurious bedroom aesthetics while remaining surprisingly affordable compared to upholstered alternatives. And among the most beginner-friendly yet visually impressive projects is the plywood laptop desk or workstation. Remote work culture has permanently changed how people use their homes, increasing demand for compact ergonomic furniture solutions. A single plywood sheet can produce sleek desks with integrated cable management, monitor risers, and storage shelves. Modern minimalist desk design often relies on clean lines and hidden structure, making plywood an ideal material because it combines strength with visual simplicity. Children's furniture and toys also emerge beautifully from plywood crafting. Small stools, toy organizers, play kitchens, puzzle boards, and book displays can all be created from remaining offcuts. Plywood's stability and durability make it ideal for projects that experience heavy use. And because the material is easy to paint or customize, creators can adapt designs for different aesthetics ranging from Scandinavian minimalism to playful, colorful interiors. What makes these plywood projects especially powerful for YouTube audiences is the transformation process itself. Viewers love watching raw materials evolve into polished objects through cutting, sanding, assembly, and finishing. The visual satisfaction comes not only from the final result but from witnessing the precision and creativity involved in the build. every clean cut feels rewarding. Every assembly sequence creates anticipation. And every finished project reinforces the idea that beautiful design does not require expensive materials. This appeal has become especially strong within modern maker culture because people increasingly crave hands-on creativity in a world dominated by screens and digital experiences. Woodworking reconnects people with physical process. The sound of cutting wood, the texture of sanding smooth surfaces, the smell of natural timber, and the satisfaction of assembling functional objects all provide sensory experiences often missing from modern life. Plywood projects offer accessible entry points into that world because the material remains affordable and widely available. Sustainability also plays an important role in plywood crafting culture. Efficient material usage, minimal waste, and multifunctional design align with growing interest in conscious consumption and responsible craftsmanship. When creators maximize a single plywood sheet across multiple projects, the process itself becomes a lesson in resourcefulness. Instead of excess consumption, the focus shifts toward thoughtful planning and intelligent design. And perhaps the most exciting aspect of plywood woodworking is its accessibility. Unlike highly specialized woodworking requiring expensive hardwoods and industrial machinery, many plywood projects can begin with relatively basic tools. Circular saws, drills, clamps, sanders, and measuring tools are often enough to create professional-looking results. This accessibility empowers beginners while still allowing advanced makers to push creative boundaries through precision joinery, complex geometry, and refined finishes. Finishing techniques also dramatically influence the final appearance of plywood projects. Some creators prefer completely natural matte oil finishes that highlight the layered grain structure. Others stain the surface darker for dramatic modern aesthetics. Whitewashed finishes create Scandinavian-inspired softness, while black stains generate bold contemporary contrast. Even simple edge treatments can transform the entire visual identity of a project. Rounded corners feel softer and organic. Sharp edges create architectural minimalism. As these projects come together, something fascinating begins to happen. The original plywood sheet disappears completely, replaced by a collection of useful, beautiful objects with distinct personalities and purposes. Shelves now hold books and plants. Wall art decorates empty spaces. Lamps illuminate quiet evenings. Storage solutions organize clutter. Furniture anchors living rooms and workspaces. And all of it emerged from one single material source through imagination and craftsmanship. That transformation reflects something larger happening in modern design culture. People are beginning to value creativity over consumption, craftsmanship over mass production, and intentional design over disposable products. Plywood projects embody those values perfectly because they prove that extraordinary results do not always require rare materials or expensive resources. Sometimes all it takes is one sheet of wood, a vision, and the patience to build something meaningful with your own hands. And maybe that's why woodworking content continues attracting millions of viewers online. It taps into something deeply human, the desire to create, transform, and shape raw materials into objects that improve daily life. Watching a flat plywood sheet become furniture, decor, lighting, and storage feels inspiring because it reminds people that creativity can exist anywhere, even inside ordinary materials often overlooked. So the next time you walk past a simple sheet of plywood in a hardware store, don't just see construction material, see possibility. Hidden inside that board could be your next shelf, your next table, your next lamp, your next wall installation, or perhaps an entire collection of handcrafted projects that transform your home completely. Because with thoughtful design, precise craftsmanship, and a little imagination, one sheet of plywood can become far more than wood. It can become art, functionality, and proof that simplicity often holds the greatest creative potential of all.